Yes, is it audible? Right. Welcome to MSMF classes. In this live session, we are going to discuss the RRB Group D PYQs paper, which was held on 18th August 2022, Shift 3. Already, we discussed some of the papers of our RRB Group D. In yesterday's live session, we discussed some questions in the same paper. In today's live session, we are going to discuss some more questions in the same paper. Right. See, see here the question is the sum of two numbers is 32 and one of them exceeds the other by 18. Okay. Find the greater number. Okay. See the question. The sum of two numbers is 32 and one of them exceeds by other 18. So see here. Suppose we are considering that the number is x and another number is exceed by 18. So the another number will be x plus 18. Okay. So these are the two numbers. So x is one number. We are considering one number is x and the other number is exceeds by 18. Okay. So sum of two numbers is 32 means uh, x plus 18 is equal to 32. Here the given information. So this is the equation according to the question. The sum of two numbers is 32 and one of them exceeds the other by 18. As one number is x, the other number is exceeds by 18 means we can write x plus 18. So x plus 18 is equal to 32 is given in the question. So if you simplify this equation, we get the answer. Okay, right. So x plus x 2x plus 18 is equal to 32. Okay, so 2x is equal to 32 minus 18. Okay, 32 minus 18 we get 32 minus 18 we get 14. Okay, so 2x is equal to 14, x is equal to 14 by 2, x is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7. So one number is 7. So the other number, see the question here once again. One number is 7. One of them exceeds by 18. So the other number is x plus 18 can be written as x is equal to 7. 7 plus 18. So 7 plus 18 is 25. Okay, one number is 7, the other number is 25. So the given sum of two numbers is equal to 32 as correct. Okay, so what is our question? Find the greater number. So one number is 7, the other number is 32. Which one is greater? 32, obviously 32, so total number is 32. One number is 7, another number is 25. Which one is greater? 25 is greater. Okay, option 4 is correct. Okay, option 4 is correct. So shall we move to the next question? Yes. So here number series question is given. So we observe that at least one question is coming from number series. We can expect at least, or we can expect two questions from a number series. Okay, right. Here the series given is 17, 30, 44, 59, 75, and we need to find the next number, means which is in question mark. Okay, right. So first of all, just to see the difference here. What is the difference between 17 and 30? So 30 minus 17, we get 13. 1 3, we get 13. Okay. So here we see the difference here also. See the difference here. 44 minus 44 minus 30, we get the difference 14. So here the difference is 14. See here to here, 44 to 59. 44 to 59. So 59 minus 44, we get the difference is 15. We get the difference is 15. And here to here, 75, 75, the difference between 75 and 59, we get the difference is 16. Okay, right. So if you see the distance between two numbers here, here the distance is 13, here the distance is 14, here the distance is 15, here the distance is 16. If you see that the distance is increasing by 1, okay, for the next number. So here to here, we can write by seeing these logic, by seeing this logic, here we can write the distance is 17. Okay, so just add 17 to the 75. 17 to the 75. So we get 92. We get 90. See the option? Which option is there? Option 1, triple one. Option 2, 102. Option 3, 92. So see that option 3, 92 is correct. Okay. So we are seeing that at least in Group D, RRB Group D, we are seeing at least one question from number series. Okay, right. Shall we move to the next question? Yes. Just now we discussed we are seeing at least one question or two questions from number series. Here, one more question is given from the number series. Which of the following number will replace the question mark and complete the given number series? Okay, so here the given series is 4, sorry, here the number series is 4, 5, 12, 39, 160. We need to find the value in the place of question mark. Okay, see, if you see that here the distance between 4 and 5, we get 1, and you see here the distance between 12 and 5, we get 7, and here we see the distance between 39 and 12, we get 27. Okay, right. So this is the not correct logic, and we can see here one more logic here. 5 can be written as after 4, so 4 into 1 plus 1. Okay, so 4, 4 into 1 plus 1. So 4 into 1, 4 plus 1, we get 5. So here they written 5. And you see here, so 5, 12. So we can write here 5 into 2 plus 2. 5 into 2 plus 2. 5 to 10 plus 2, 12. 5 to 10. 5 into 2 we get 10 plus 2 we get 12. So similar logic from 12 to 39. So 12 into 3 plus 3. So 12 3s 36 plus 3 39. So 12 into 3 plus 3 we get the number 39. And next 39 into here see into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 next number into 4 plus 4. So 39 into 4 we get 1 5 6. So plus 4 we get 160. So 39 into 4 plus 4 we get 160. So next number 160 into, so here see 1 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 4. Here we can write into 5 plus 5. So 160 into 5, 16 5s 80. So 160 into 5 we get 800. 16 5s 80. Just add 1 0. Okay, we get 800 plus 5. So we get 805. So what is the logic here? 160 into 5 plus 5 we get 160 into 5 we get 800. 800 plus 5 805. Okay, in the place of question mark we can write 805. See the option 1 850 is wrong answer. Option 2 800 is also wrong answer. Option 3 805 is correct answer. Okay, option 3 805 is correct answer. So practice as many as example problems in number series. Damn surely you can get at least 1 mark in number series for RRB Group D. Okay, right. Next question. Right. See the question. Mohit's salary is 15,000. Okay. Mohit salary is 15,000 rupees. Mohit's salary is 15,000 rupees per month. Okay. He spends 5,000. He spends 5,000 on house rent, 2,000 on bills, and rest of the amount is his monthly savings. Okay, right. Find the savings in a year. Okay, if in the month of his birthday he spent his complete monthly savings for birthday celebrations. Okay, so 15,000 is the monthly salary of Mohit's. In that 15,000, he pay 5,000 for house rent and 2,000 for bills. Okay, so the remaining amount is savings. Okay, the remaining amount is savings. Okay, so 15 minus 7 we get 8. So he saves 8,000 per month. Okay, he saves 8,000 per month. So what is our question? Find his savings in a year. Okay, so find his savings in a year, but here one condition is there. If in the month of his birthday, he spent his complete monthly savings for birthday celebrations. Okay, means so actual we have 12 months in a year. In that, 1 month savings was uh, cutted for birthday party. So remaining 11 months savings are there. So we need to find his savings in a year means so every month he saves 8,000. So we need to calculate only for 11 months. Why? Because 1 month savings has spent on birthday celebrations. So we need to find the savings for 11 months. Okay. So 11 eights 88. So triple zero. So the value is the savings in a year is 88,000. If you see that here 8,000 is monthly saving, but he asked the question, what is savings in a year? So this is the monthly saving. So this is not a yearly saving. So this is wrong answer. See that here 96,000 is amount given. So this is the amount when we calculate for 12 months. Okay, when we calculate for 12 months, we get 12 8 the 96,000 we get. But this is the not correct answer. Why? Because he he spent the money 8,000 1 month savings on birthday celebration. So he saves for only 11 months. So we get 11 8 88. Option 3 is correct. Okay, obviously option 4 is not correct. Okay, so option 3 is correct. So shall we move to the next question? Yes, right. See the question here. Each oval, each oval in the word explain. Okay, the word is given explain. E X P L A I N. Okay, each vowel in the word explain is changed to the letter following in the English alphabetical order. Okay, and each consonant is changed to the letter preceding in the English alphabetical order. Okay, right. So first of all, we change so each vowel is transferred right as following alphabetical. So E after E, we get F. So F and another vowel is there. Here A is there. After A, we get B, and here I is also vowel. After I, we can write J. Okay, so vowel is written as following letter, and see here, and each consonant, each consonant is changed to the letter preceding in the English alphabetical order. So consonant is written as a preceding alphabet. Okay, so W X W is the preceding alphabet of X. So O P O is the preceding alphabet of P. K L. So K is the preceding alphabet of L. M is the preceding alphabet of N. So this is the code changed. So what is the question? If each letter, this form is arranged in alphabetical order. So these letters are arranged in alphabetical order. So, which letter will be third from the right end? Which letter is third from the right end? Okay. So, first of all, arrange these letters in alphabetical order. If you see that here, B is the first letter in the word B. Okay. Then we get next A, B, C, D, E, F. F is the second. And then after we get J, Then after J, I, J, K, K is there, K, L, M, K, L, M, N, O is there, and only one letter is that pending, W. So this is the letters formed in alphabetical order. Okay, right. What is our question? Which letter will be third from the right end? So here M is the third from right end. Okay, third from right end. So see here, option 3 is correct. So M is the third letter from the right end. Okay, next question. Okay, see the question, which is the question given on direction sense test. So we are also seeing at least one question is asking from direction sense in group D. So practice many examples, okay, to get 1 mark from direction sense test. Okay, see the question here. Umesh is standing facing the southwest direction. Okay, before discussing this question, first of all, you need to draw a simple directions: east, west, north, south. Okay, so Umesh is standing facing the southwest direction. Okay, he then takes a 90 degrees clockwise turn. Okay, after that, he takes 135 degrees clockwise. He finally takes 90 degrees anti-clockwise direction. Okay, in which direction he is facing now? Okay, so there is no traveling distance in the question. Okay, so just he takes the some directions according to some degrees. Okay, right. So east, west, north, south. Here, okay, northeast, southeast, northwest, southwest. Okay, right. So see here, he is facing. See here the question. He's sorry. He's Umesh is standing facing southwest direction. So here he is facing in this direction. Okay, he is facing in south west direction. Okay, so he then takes a 90 degrees clockwise. So here to here, he moved 90 degrees clockwise. Clockwise means this side. Okay. So he southwest to northwest we get exactly 90 degrees. Okay. Here to here we have 90 degrees. This is clockwise. So 90 degrees. Okay. Right. So then after uh, he takes 135 degrees clockwise direction. So here to here we have 90 degrees. Here to here you have 90 degrees plus 45 here. So this is the angle of 135 degrees. Okay. This is the angle of 135 degrees. Okay. Right. This is the direction. So he finally takes 90 degrees anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise means this side. 90 degrees means, so here to here we have, here to here we have 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees. Okay. So he move anti-clockwise means in this direction he moves direction. So what is the question? In which direction he is facing? So he is now here. He is now here. So he is facing in the north direction. He is facing in the north direction. So option 3 is correct. Okay. Right. Next question. Right. Uh, See the question. A shopkeeper sells an item at a profit of 25%. Okay. And dishonestly uses a weight of 30% less than the actual weight. Okay. Find his profit percentage. So see here, I'm considering the price of a unit, the price of product is 100. So he is gaining 25%. The profit is 25%. But dishonestly uses 30% less weight, means he is giving 70%. He is gaining 30%. Why? Because he is collecting the amount for 100, but he is giving 70, but he is gaining 30%. Why? Because he is dishonestly uses the 30% less than the actual weight. Okay. So what is the profit? Here 25% profit he get. Here he get 30%. Okay. So totally he get 55% on sorry, he get 55 on cost price of 70. Okay, so he is collecting 125. Okay, see here, I'm writing here one more example. So right, so he is collecting 125. So here he get 25% profit, but he is not giving 100%. He is dishonestly uses less weight 30%. He is giving 70%. So the investment of that product is actually cost price is 70. So he is gaining 30 and 25. So simply write 55 by 70 into 100. So this is the profit. 55 is the profit. 70 is the cost price, and 100 into 100. So 0, 0. Okay. So 550 by 7. So 7 divided 550, we get 7. 7 is a 49. So 607 8 is a 56. 4.75. 78. Okay. 78.5% something. The option here, option 1 itself have 78.5 something. So remaining options are 65, 42, 23. So by seeing itself, we can say that option 1 is correct. 78.57% is correct. Okay. So without using any formulas, we can calculate this value, assuming that the quantity price and the quantity be 100. So on that he is gaining 25% officially, but dishonestly he is gaining 30. Okay, so 25 plus 30, take the numerator this value 55, and in the denominator we are taking the cost price. Cost price actually 100, but he is giving 70. So he is 70 in the denominator into 100. We get the value. Okay, right. Next question. So the question is based on proportion. So what is meant by proportion? So proportion means equality of ratios, equality of two ratios. So on the on the topic of proportion, at least we are seeing one question in Group D paper. So proportion means equality of two ratios. So here they given 40 is to 35 as 35 is to x. What is the value of x? So, so we can write simply uh, 40 by 35 is equal to 35 by x. So we can write x is equal to 35 into 35 by 40. So we can get right. We can get a 5 uh, 5 eights are 5 sevens are. In the denominator we have 8. Okay, so 35 into 7 we get 3 sevens are 21, 3 fives are 35. So 21 and means 210 plus 35, we get 245. So 245 by 8. So our answer is 245 by 8. See the option 3 is correct. 245 by 8. Okay, right. Next question. Right, this question is based on calendars. If 1st January 2011 was Saturday, okay, then what day of the week was 31st December 2011? Okay, 1st January 2011 was Saturday. Then what day of the week was 31st December 2011? So see that here 2011 is a leap year or ordinary year. So 2011 is a ordinary year. Why? Because if it is a leap year, the year must and should be divided by 4. So 2011 is not divided by 4. Why? Because what is the divisibility rule of 11? So last two digit must and should be divisible by 4. Sorry, what is the divisibility rule of 4? The last two digits is divisible by 4. So 2011 is not divisible by 4. Why? Because last two digits of that year is not divisible by 4. So 2011 is a ordinary year. Okay, 2011 is a ordinary year. So 1st January 2011 is Saturday. Automatically 1st January 2012 is Sunday. Okay, okay, right. So if it is an ordinary year, the year is also ends with the same day. Okay, so our answer is Saturday. So by using this logic, we can say 1st January 2011 is Saturday, then 1st January 2012 is Sunday. Why? Because in every ordinary year we can gain one extra day. Okay, so 365 by 7 we get one extra day. So one extra day is 1st January 2012. We can write by using this, we can write the 31st December of 2011 is Saturday. Okay, next question. Right, see the question here. Select the option that is related to the fifth letter cluster in the same way as the second letter cluster is related to the first letter cluster, and fourth letter cluster is related to the third letter cluster. Here the word is given Portugal. Sorry, Portugal. So Portugal is written as Europu. Okay, right. Again, Uranus, Uranus is written as Arun. If you see that these two digits are these two words are written as, so see the first word Portugal is divided into two parts. Okay, so divide. Here total we have 8 alphabets. So divide 4. See here, first letter and last letter interchange. Transferred. P is first letter. Here it fourth letter. So interchanges. Here also U is written as last. L is written in the first. G is third. A is third. Okay, right. So in the same way here also, here 6 alphabets are there. So divide into equal parts. So by using these logic. Okay. So by using these logic. So in the similar way, how Amritsar is written as, how Amritsar is written as. See here, A M R I T S A R. So how many alphabets are there here? 8 alphabets there. Divide into two parts. So write A in the fourth place, I in the first place. So M in the third place, R in the second place. Okay, I R M A. Here also T in the fourth place, R in the first place, S in the third place, A in the second place. R A S T. Okay, I M sorry I R M A RAST. See option 1 itself correct. RAST. So option 1 is correct. So shall we move to the next question? Here one question is given on inequalities. In the same paper, yesterday we discussed two inequality questions. In the same paper, here one more question is given. So we can damn surely seeing at least two questions from inequality. So which was on basic level. So don't lose the question from inequalities. Okay, right. See here. J less than or equal to H less than or equal to G is equal to or greater than Z is equal to E greater than D. So which option will satisfy? Which option will suitable? So D greater than or. See here R is there, here D is there. So R is greater than D. Okay, so D is less than or. So this is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. Next, J less than or equal to G. So J is here, less than H, less than or equal to H less than or equal to G. So here J less than or equal to H less than or equal to G. So by using we can write J less than or equal to G is correct. Yes, J less than or equal to G is correct. So option 2 is correct. J less than or equal to G is correct. Okay, right. Option 2 is correct. Next question. Okay. So these are the some questions which was asked in RRB Group D. Okay, right. So if you have any doubts in the paper which was held on 18th August 2020 shift to 3 paper, just comment your doubts in comment section. We will definitely uh, reply for your comments. Okay, right. If you want to join or if you want to see our videos on YouTube channel MSMF, so just like, share and subscribe our channel. Okay, thank you for watching.